can't upload videos on TikTok from your iPhone? This issue can occur due to poor internet, app glitches, or something else. Don't worry folks, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok not uploading videos on your iPhone. So no more wasting any time, let's just get started. Before doing anything else, make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now try turning airplane mode on and off. After that, try these advanced solutions. First, open up the Settings app. Then, scroll down to the bottom, tap Apps. After that, find the TikTok app. Tap on it. Now tap Photos. Now make sure to select Full Access. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then tap on the 3 lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. After that, go back home and force close the TikTok app from the recent tabs. Offload TikTok app. First, open up the settings. Tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. If you don't find the TikTok here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload. Again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Reset network settings. Open Settings. Tap General. Scroll down. Tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if needed. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. And that's it! Hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to know, feel free to ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now.